Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from Shares Trading School. Today, 6th October 2016. Actually, yesterday, with what we were discussing about Nifty's trend in daily chart, we will discuss that first, and then we will follow it with intraday hourly and 3 hourly chart as per requirement. Yesterday, we said that 8,800 level should act as a very strong resistance for Nifty. Probably around 8,800 to 8,020 Nifty may test a resistance. You will have to remember this line which we have plotted here. This line is very crucial line, and this line will act as a trend line, and this trend line, unless Nifty crosses. We have even discussed that how to plot that trend line in yesterday's video, that we said that you will have to take a 7th September high, and then you will have to consider 22nd September high and join that. You will see that this trend line is a crucial trend line, and unless Nifty crosses this trend line, we will not see any much strong bullishness in the market. 8,800 level, which is a psychological barrier. First of all, the reason behind why 8,800 level, it's a psychological barrier. In the past, that barrier has proved, and it had tested a resistance so many times. So this resistance will again and again retest, and that's what yesterday we have seen. Now, if you look at daily chart, this is 100 DMA, this is 50 EMA, and this is your 20 EMA, and price is above that. So pattern is extremely bullish. This pattern, when it happens, that if long term, mid term, and short term, and moving average and price all are in a row, then this is actually a strength, and this is strength in favor of bulls, because this pattern will be called as a bullish pattern. Unfortunately, it is not in accumulation, because if it happens, basically these three averages should come together and form a proper accumulation. Here 50 and 20 had formed some accumulation. That accumulation or a crossover of any average is not seen. So probably this trend may not strength strong strength in future, but still we can say that it's a bullish pattern. Now testing a 20 EMA as a support is necessary, and that's what it is happening. This had happened in the past. If you see at this 20 EMA was reached, then market closed almost at a neutral level, retested as a support, and then we had seen a strong uptrend. But again, this trend line had acted as a resistance. So almost similar pattern which we are seeing here. Price has tested a support yesterday. So around 8,660 we see strong support for as far as 20 EMA is concerned. So 8,650 price is above that, then we should think that we are in uptrend. If in case 8,650 breach and price moves further down and remain below that, then consolidation will be same, and somewhere 8,600 or rather 8,700 level will act future as a support. So at this moment 8,660, rather we will make it as a round figure, 8,650 should be considered as a support level. Nifty will try and remain above that. 8,769, this level, this which we have plotted here, market will try and open above that, but after that again we will see a resistance at 8,800 level, and actual resistance can be seen here at 8,825, where it is crossing this level should be a strong resistance level. So 8,825 level will act as a strong resistance. Now, if you consider it in an hourly chart or intraday chart, I'll just convert this into intraday chart to reconfirm that whatever we are talking, whether it really has some meaning. If you look at this, yes, this 20, 50 and 100, all three EMAs are in accumulation, and this is a proper accumulation has formed. Now RSI is showing lower highs, but it is above 50. So 50 is a level where we will see always support, and RSI may give a intraday support here in hourly chart. Now proper pattern as far as support is concerned, you can see that this green line which I have plotted, which has acted as a support, which is 8,700 level. So this 8,700 level will be a strong support level. If Nifty takes a support here and then moves further, this line which I have plotted here, this line, I'll just change that color of that line so that we will be able to see quite comfortably. So I'll make that line blue color and I'll make it bold. So 8,000 above 8,000 level, we can 8,800 level, we can see that this line comes. Now, irrelevance of this line, I'll just discuss the importance of this line. Now, practically, if market opens somewhere here and then moves further up, then somewhere here, if it touches the area here, then 8,813 will be level. If it touches around 8,000 somewhere here, if try and cross somewhere here, then around 8,020. So what we see is around 8,020 to 8,025, we will see this trend line acting as a resistance. But if this line breaches and price moves above and close above that, then what you can see is this will be a shoulder, this will be called as a head, and this will form as a right shoulder, and this formation will be a inverted head and shoulder. So closing above this level, that is 8,820 to 8,825, with the rise in a volume is necessary to break this, and if this happens, then this will be a proper inverted head and shoulder formation for intraday, and then that time target can be considered as this, from this 8,800 level to 8,550. So around 250 points, which we can add somewhere here in 8,825 plus 250. So you can see that there will be almost target of more than 9,150, or rather 9,100 can be a target in future, probably, if Nifty crosses this level. So we'll have to see today what happens. Considering this, chances are there that market may test again and again resistance in this blue line. So our decisive point is this: if market tries and close above that, then we will continue our long position. If market close below this trend line, then we will close our long position. We will keep stop loss below this level. Probably practically, I'll just discuss that stop loss with you as a daily chart shows it. This level, this is 20 EMA, and this level, this is 8,700. So considering this 8,700 will be a comparatively a nearer stop loss. So we will remain long with stop loss below 8,700, and we will continue. And if market close above 8,820, then we will continue our long position for tomorrow as well. So this is our trading strategy for today. And ये जो मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया, because some we got some queries saying that अगर ये आप हिंदी में बताते तो और भी बेहतर होगा. सो एक क्विकली मैं इसको हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. अगर आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं तो कल का दिन जो आप देखेंगे, तो कल का दिन यहाँ नीचे के लेवल पे क्लोज हुआ है. लो के पास क्लोज होना, ओपन गैप होके नीचे लो पे पास क्लोज होना, ये बेरिश बताता है. लेकिन यहाँ आपके ध्यान में ये आना चाहिए कि ये 20 EMA जो है, इसको ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है. शायद इसको सपोर्ट के लिए रिटेस्ट करने के लिए ये नीचे आया है. सो ये करेक्शन है और रिटेस्टिंग है सपोर्ट का. कंफर्मेशन ले रहा है कि 20 के EMI को सपोर्ट के रूप में हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं क्या. सो ऐसा होना ये जायज है, ये जरूरी होता है इस मार्केट के लिए. अगर आप एवरेजेस को देखेंगे तो 100, 50, 20 ये तीनों एवरेजेस पैटर्न में है और प्राइस उसके ऊपर इंटैक्ट है. सो जब तक ऐसा है, हम लोग बुलिशनेस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये दोनों एवरेजेस, रादर ये तीनों एवरेजेस एक दूसरे से अपार्ट है, और जिसकी वजह से शायद स्ट्रेंथ बुलिशनेस में इतनी नहीं है. अगर तीनों एवरेजेस पास में होते तो आने वाले पीरियड में हमें अच्छा स्ट्रेंथ मिलता. शायद दो एवरेजेस का क्रॉसओवर अगर यहाँ देखने को मिलता तो वो भी बढ़िया होता, लेकिन फिलहाल वो नहीं है. ये लाइन जो हमने प्लॉट करी है, रेड लाइन, ये डेली चार्ट के लिए ट्रेंड लाइन है, और जब तक इस लाइन को क्रॉस नहीं करता मार्केट और उसके ऊपर नहीं क्लोज होता, मार्केट बुलिशनेस की स्ट्रेंथ नहीं देख पाएगा. 8,825 के लेवल के ऊपर ये जाए, तब जाके ये लेवल जो आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर जाके क्लोज हो, तब जाके एक्चुअली मार्केट रियल बुलिश स्ट्रेंथ दिखा सकता है. इसको कंफर्म करने के लिए, इसको वैलिडेट करने के लिए मैं इसको इंट्राडे चार्ट में क्विकली डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. इंट्राडे में अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे तो ये हेड एंड शोल्डर फॉर्मेशन आर्ली चार्ट में क्रिएट हो रहा है. रादर ये इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर फॉर्मेशन बनेगा, क्योंकि ये जो आप देख रहे हो, ये लेफ्ट शोल्डर बनेगा, ये हेड बनेगा, और ये ब्लू लाइन नेक लाइन बनेगी. नेक लाइन अच्छी खासी स्लांटिंग नेक लाइन है. ऐसे स्लांट जरूरी होता है, एक्चुअली ये राइजिंग स्लांट है, और ये राइजिंग स्लांट के जो हेड एंड शोल्डर, इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर होते हैं, ये कई बार सक्सेस अच्छा देते हैं रादर देन स्लांट। अगर लोअर की तरफ हो, डाउनवर्ड स्लांट हो, तो वो हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न फेल होते हुए दिखता है। बस यहाँ एक्चुअली ये फॉर्मेशन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए शोल्डर फॉर्म होना जरूरी है, और वो शोल्डर तभी फॉर्म होगा जब 8,820 8,825 के ऊपर मार्केट जाके क्लोज हो जाए। ये होने के लिए मार्केट को एक्चुअली हमें 8,700 के ऊपर रहना होगा। 8,700 के ऊपर मार्केट रह के अगर यहाँ पे आज ये बुलिशनेस दिखा कि 8,820 के ऊपर मार्केट अगर क्लोज होता है, तो हम लोग हमारा बाय कंटिन्यू रखेंगे। अगर ऐसा होता है तो ये जो हेड क्रिएट होने वाला है, ये अराउंड 250 पॉइंट का हेड है। अगर आप ये देखेंगे तो 8,800 की लेवल है, और नीचे की लेवल 8,550 के आसपास की है। सो 250 पॉइंट हमें यहाँ पे 8,800 के ऊपर जोड़ने होंगे। सो 9,000 के ऊपर मार्केट का टारगेट निकलेगा अगर 8,820 के ऊपर मार्केट क्लोज होता है। देखते हैं 8,700 के नीचे स्टॉप लॉस लगा के हम हमारी पोजीशन लॉन्ग करके रखेंगे, और आज की क्लोजिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड होगा। अगर क्लोज 8,820 के ऊपर रहता है तो हम हमारा लॉन्ग कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो ये हमारी निफ्टी के लिए ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी रहेगी आज के लिए। So, wishing you best of luck and happy trading. Thank you very much. Good day.